Well, being climate ready means planning for the future and coming up with ways to adapt and protect our planet, too. In California, we're already seeing climate change in action with long and intense wildfire seasons.
This morning, PG&E showed off a new tool that could quite literally cut down wildfire risk in some areas. In July, we showed you the first version of the BurnBot, a tank-like machine that can burn a path through wild grass.
Today, the utility held a live demonstration of the newest version. ABC 7 News reporter Gloria Rodriguez was there for that demonstration.
This is the Oryx 2 in action. You can see it burning a path through grass in Martinez in this demo. It's BurnBot's second generation controlled burn machine.
It's a machine to apply technology to the art of prescribed burning. And prescribed burning is one of the best ways to create defensible spaces and control when and where fires can start and where they can go and where they cannot go. It's one of the best ways to stop wildfires from getting out of control.
PG&E and CAL FIRE are testing it to see if they will use it. PG&E is looking to see if they might be able to use it as an alternative to mowers or herbicides to treat weeds, invasive species, and shrubs around their facilities.
It's about the size of a Zamboni, and in the same way the Zamboni will smooth the ice on a hockey rink, the BurnBot is able to essentially create a line of controlled burn, very controlled environment of a burn. So after you'll see the after effects, and it leaves a charred black line along the ground. And again, it's returning good fire to areas where prescribed burns, have been used throughout California's history. And so it's a way that we can start to bring that back into the ecosystems and have reduced the wildfire risk.
CAL FIRE still doesn't know if they will use it, but says
it could potentially help wildfires if this pre-treats an area or increases the use of prescribed fire for landowners, so it could definitely prevent large fires if the projects are in place and completed. Whether or not CAL FIRE uses it, that is what today is about.
The co-founder of BurnBot tells me it costs less than $500,000. He says this is their production model. They're building a second one and plan to build between 3 and 10 more next year. In Martinez, Gloria Rodriguez, ABC 7 News.